Hi there, this is Gigi Gilliam, a local realtor here in the Raleigh-Durham area. Have you ever wondered what the most common repairs are, those typically needed after a home inspection? Well, that's what we're talking about today. So let's get started. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you get a heads up to all the new videos coming your way. Now, we cover topics about real estate nationally and local, and everything in between that's North Carolina. So now, here are those 9 common repairs typically needed after a home inspection, and they're in no particular order. Can you guess what they might be? Number 1, electrical. Frayed wiring that's not up to code, or improperly wired panels. Those are some of the typical common issues found in a home inspection. And then number 2, plumbing. Water damage, leaking pipes, sewer problems, failing water heaters. Again, this is common to what you might find on the inspection reports. Foundations. There are a few homes here in North Carolina with basements, and sometimes there's water damage. Cracked foundations are really common issues that can be found on those reports. And with humidity, mold. Number 4, that typically is a common problem. Number 5, roofing. When it comes to roofs, problems can range from missing shingles to termites and pests. While some pests are impossible to keep at bay, even in the cleanest houses, termites and vermins are a major red flag for buyers. Then there's number 7, windows and doors. Doors that don't open or close properly, or windows with broken panes or the seals not correct. You'll find that on the reports as well. And then number 8, asbestos, lead paint. These are very, very serious and must be addressed if they are in that report. And then last but not least, chimneys. Old chimneys can be defective and must be repaired to make sure that there are no significant safety hazards. So how many of those did you guess? Now, be sure to watch home inspection tips for buyers and home inspection frequently asked questions. Until next time, thank you and be well.